I'm going to invite you into my world of fabric this morning. It's just a really fun world to be in, and let me show you what we've got. This is 100% viscose knit. It has stretch in both directions. Just absolutely stunning. Then we have this little velour. Oops, sorry. It's a little, it has stretch in both directions also. Really pretty. So this is a more of a hot pink. So it doesn't necessarily go with these pinks, but I just loved it. And so I included it in. So it's a little deeper pink. The rest of these really blend nicely together. You can see that this is a cotton poly, this is a cotton poly, and see how pretty they just really blend nicely together. This is a cotton poly netting. See, it's just really pretty, all the different colors for spring. This is 100% cotton. This is not very much left of this at all. It's just but a beautiful piece of fabric. This 100% cotton. It's definitely a shirting. It's a little more crispness to it, like just a real pretty shirt for spring. Classic blouse, Sonia's blouse. A lot of those in there would be really beautiful. This is a border lace, so it'd be nice to show that border off. Really, both sides can be used. I don't see much difference between the two. I mean, you do. You have a little more sheen on one side, but over something it would be really pretty too. Just to have, I don't know, it's just, you're seeing lots of laces, especially this. Anyway, these are coordinating. This is a striped, and they are both just really on a solid, so maybe a solid for the pants, stripe for the jacket, or stripe for the pants and solid for the jacket. I think both would be really, really pretty. And then we have this little beautiful cotton poly little pink that blends so pretty with everything. They're just so much fun. So pinks for springs. Happy sewing.